Hello everyone, Jonathan with Game Day Math. Excited for today's video because I get to highlight a new product feature. If you're interested in parlays, well, we've got a new parlay generator available to the plus tier with Game Day Math. So this is not available to the free or sharp. This is exclusive to the plus tier. If you've used Game Day Math in the past, I've got the picks page pulled up here. This is going to highlight the best top-down EV bets at any given moment of time. And you can bet these as straight bets, or if you want, you can go click on the option. We got OKC and the Lakers on the over on FanDuel. It's going to bring up the straight bet over here. If you want to also build that into a two-leg round robin, you can find another FanDuel option. We've got a 70 bet score here. Detroit, Charlotte under 223.5. And you select that, and you can see it defaults to parlay on the bet tracker. And you've got a two-leg parlay with your 258 odds, 71 bet score, slight EV at 0.05%. So that's still available to the Sharp Plus tiers to build your parlays as you like. Or if you want to optimize your parlays and have a bet score kind of hierarchy applied using the Game Day Math proprietary system, hop over to the tools section and scroll down. We've got this new generator, and it's called the Parlay Generator. We've got FanDuel selected here. You can select the date, all sports. You can even highlight what type of lines you want. We'll take all, do a two-leg parlay, and we'll generate a parlay. So we just saw in the other tab, if we did it independently, we'd get a low EV play. If we let the Game Day Math logic and the Parlay Generator create the best FanDuel parlay, you can see we've got a parlay score of 79 with two soccer plays. Make that three legs, and it's going to generate that. If we want it just be for today, we can see that we're going to basically get those two bets we saw on the top of the picks page, and then we can bring in the Nets money line, generate the two. So we would get the Nets money line and the over on the Thunder and Lakers. We've got some disclaimers down here. So how does it work? Well, it works by taking the best bet scores. And does it work for peer-to-peer sites? And so the short answer is no. And then we also have a disclaimer: this does not work for same game parlays. So this is only going to produce round robin independent events, so the odds can be combined together. Let's go back to this peer-to-peer site. So this is not going to produce actionable parlays for peer-to-peer. So if we look at Novig here, we do a three-leg parlay, and I'm going to go ahead and do NBA. We've got three legs here, 73 bet score plus 766 odds. And if you know Novig or any of the peer-to-peer sites, they use a proprietary system to price their parlays. You can't just combine legs, and it's going to allow you to take what's listed on the site today. But I'm going to flip over here to Novig. They offer a ton of parlay boosts. We got the 25% pro basketball parlay boost. I'm going to go ahead and claim that. And let's go ahead and build it, and let's just compare the two. So we want the Cavs money line, Trailblazers spread, and the over on the Kings. So let's go plug that in. All right, we want the Cavs money line plus 104. We want the Trailblazers at plus 3.5. And that last leg was the over at 231. Okay, so we should have odds at plus 766. You can see we're at 619. We apply our boost, we're at 801. Let's add this to Bet Tracker and see what that bet score looks like. So we're at 766. We apply our boost, and we actually get to 801. This is what I like to do just to make sure that I'm getting a good value bet. Play around with those numbers. So 801, that's an 83 bet score, 6% expected return on investment. And that's a great bet. So I think the max I can put down is $25. Let's hop over here, and I'm going to go ahead and place this live, $25, and we place the bet. So that is how you can use this to place on the peer-to-peer. Track that parlay bet. So 83 bet score, 6% expected return on investment. That's a great bet. But again, you can't just take the peer-to-peer at face value using the generator. You need to be able to use a profit boost to make those EV bets. DraftKings, they're running out these any sport profit boost all the time with plus 300 odds. So you can see we generate a parlay score plus 559, 62. We had a 20% profit boost on that. That's going to be very profitable. You can just play around with it. You've got different retail books that you can choose from wherever you're at in your market. Change the any date, get more options there. It's something that I'm really diving into. If you're very limited like I am, especially like on BetMGM or Fanatics, having the ability to generate the best optimized parlay at any given moment of time based on your risk tolerance. You can add number of legs. It gives you just some more flexibility and another tool in your tool belt for your sports betting. So this is the Parlay Generator on Game Day Math, available only to the Plus tier. So if you are interested, please do look at subscribing. Leave a comment in the description if there's anything else you'd like to dive into deeper. Otherwise, join Game Day Math. Get some of the best EV plays at any given moment of time. We've got our picks page here that's going to highlight the best EV plays. We got the odds dashboard that gives you a nice clean interface for odds dashboard. We've got the handicapping if you want to do some bottoms up betting. And now we've created the parlay generator as well. And then you can track all that with our bet tracker option. You can see our 3-leg parlay we just placed. So thank you for watching and see you on the next one.